Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get naturally pink skin whitening facial with very simple ingredients to get pink, white, glowing and fresh skin at home with all natural stuff. So the first thing we need is one beetroot and we need to shred it like so. In order to juice it. And beetroot high antioxidant and it has anti-aging properties and it helps the skin to get its pinkish color and natural glowing, and it has a skin whitening properties as well. So we're going now to juice it, and I'm going to strain it like so. Okay, the spoon is broke, so I'm going to be careful for the green one. So now after we juiced the beetroot like so, we need to add to it 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. And now we need to add around 4 tablespoons of raw milk and mix well. And now we need to heat it on the stove or in a microwave or in a gas. Just we need to heat it, or you can use also underneath a hot water. And once you found the consistency got thick like so, it's ready to use. We need to apply it on our skin like so and leave it for 10 minutes and then wipe it off or wash it. And as you can tell, it left the skin so pinkish in color and tinted. It gives a permanent result if you regularly use it. Now you can store the rest of this in the fridge for up to 10 days. And my friends, this has so many skin beneficial. It's not only leaves your skin tinted and it got the pinkish white color, it also had so many beneficial for your skin. It leaves the skin so glowing, and it helps removing the dark spots, and it leaves the skin flawless, spotless, clear and so glowing. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of upcoming effective remedies. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.